Good morning! It is 10 a.m. on Friday here at Dog Bone Ranch. We had a downpour last night, so it is wet and it is cold. Our expected high today only getting up to 60 degrees. So they are frisky. Frisky. Little Buck won't be in this video because I just took him inside. He was shivering. He's in the nice cozy house. He'll hang out with me while I load the dishwasher. Look at the two twins, Speedy and Lambo. Oh, Jessie said, "Don't get in my space." That's their way of kind of communicating. Kind of establishing their positions in the pack here. Of course, with my being out here, I'd completely disrupt the balance of the pack because they've all got to just be around me. We're going to get our senior citizens in a little while. It's too cold and damp for them. Sumi, and then Max, who's laying over there. And that's why Schultz is not in the video this morning either. He's already back inside the house. Yes, Jessie! Jessie! Oh, that's Shep. That's Shep. Asia. So they're just busy. They're just busy. They're busy and rowdy and frisky today. Jessie, do you like Sadie? Yeah? Your brother's in the house. It was too cold for him. He was shivering. Okay. Okay. Look at this little guy. Oh, he's a rascal. What did I say, Max? That's Emmy. This is Max. That's Emmy. Emmy. Okay, time for the old folks to come inside. Carry on, little rowdies.